Hey y'all, it's Reba. It's time for a true confession. So, I started this channel because I wanted to give tips and tricks for vegans in a non vegan world. You know, like normal people like me. Sometimes I see people on YouTube or different places, and they're all just uber beautiful and their diets are perfect, and I don't think they ever make a mistake or, whatever. But here's my true confession. I love these little breakfast sandwiches. Don't eat them very often. I make them myself. They're tofu and Morningstar breakfast sausage. And normally I put them on a whole wheat bun. But we're on vacation and I just really wasn't thinking, and I grabbed a different package. I grabbed an English muffin. Most of the bread I've ever looked at is vegan. It doesn't have milk or eggs or anything, at least what I've chosen. Well, after making a couple of these, I look at the package. Dang it, milk is the last ingredient on it. Now, here's the thing. I really try to get it right, but sometimes I get lax. Something sneaks in on me. I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to go ahead and have my breakfast sandwich today. It's not about being perfect. It's fine. It's not going to kill me, but it's a good reminder to me that I have to check the packages. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. It's super easy to make, which, I think by now y'all know if I made it, it's super easy. Anyway, let's get cooking. It doesn't get any easier than this. 2 slices of tofu, you press it, then season it with some black salt. I buy mine on Amazon. Gives it that kind of sulfury, eggy flavor. I like a little turmeric for color and for health, a little black pepper to make it bioavailable, a little Morningstar sausage patty. I throw it in my handy dandy air fryer at 425 for 9 minutes. Toast your bun or not. Again, found out at least this brand of English muffin is not vegan. I like a little preserves, little jelly, something sweet on it, maybe honey. It is delicious, quick and easy, and I love it as a weekend breakfast treat. Y'all have a good week now.